very long number it is accepting. Okay, byte is very small number. Let's see. Now what I'm saying here, I declared I is equal to 10. Okay, float is also numeric types, right? Float is float is also numeric types. F. Okay, if I is can accepted by this float, I declared will I. I will declare here I. So this integer variable can accepted by this float, yes or no. Some accepted. Any other answers? Not. No. No answer. I'm asking yes no. Just so you can type yes or no. Active. Be active for some time. Okay, accepted. One more answer. Next. Remaining they connected and they do their own work. They connected to system. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, accepted because without decimal points also the float is accepted the values with the decimal. So it's accepted with the decimal points. Already it is numeric type now. Without decimal points is a default with 00 f1. So it is accepted. So that is a possible. That is a possible. Okay. Initial questions are fine. Next, I will ask a few more questions, then reply. Okay, this is a fine. Now I will ask. I will declare something like float f2. Here I will define something like 20. Okay. Now I will declare one more integer variable int I or I1, whatever it is. Okay. Now this float value is accepted by this f2 is accepted by I1. Possible or not possible? I declared here f2 or f1, whatever it is. Is it will accepted by integer? Possible or not possible? Possible. Okay. Let's see. Give the semicolon. It's a not possible. Cannot implicitly convert float to into explicit conversion existing for you. Okay, the conversion is our next class. Okay, no need to worry about that. Next one. So this is a not possible. Okay, fine. This is not possible. Okay, even long is accepted. Long is having heavy. Maybe float is having some 4 bytes, right? I give something 4 bytes. I will declare long. If long is accepted, that f2. Anyway, any integer not accepted. Simple concept, any integer not accepted. Okay. Okay, next question. Float. Float, can I give negative values? Next question is float, can I give negative values? Possible or not possible? I want to give negative values. Is it accepted or not accepted? Not possible. Let's see. What happening? Okay, put this error lines in the compile time errors. These are all visual should advantage. So here, see, you can see here compile time errors in the. If you top here error list, all compile time errors warnings will be displayed. Okay. Generally in the C language separately we run the compilation, right? But visual should advantage. Automatically it will compile if any errors it will come. That kind of feature first find out by Microsoft company only. Anybody used Word, you remember, you know very well. If any spelling mistakes, automatically it will display the suggestion of the word. Okay, I will put that one. So it is a accepted. Then run that F3 and see run it. It's accepted. Okay. Then with this that Negative numbers are accepted. That is fine. Now I will put it as a separate example. Next few things. Okay. One I already pasted a number of times. Now I paste it only this part as a next example. I will ask some more questions. I'm expecting answers again. All of you, we should be active next. What is the time now? Next 15 minutes. Next 15 to 20 minutes. Proactive. Okay. So next here, I'm giving something like this one. No, see. Okay, here. Yeah, okay, this is fine. This is your try. You can your own. Next. No. Okay, in the float, that family, floating types family, two more types are there. If you see the notepad, go to top. In the floating types, two more types are there. Na? So you can understand this difference. Only size only difference. Small number, some more big number, some more large number, some more extra large number will be accepted. 16 bytes, na? You know the capacity. You can see long dot max value. You can see in your own. I already show one type, right? Remaining thing when you are practicing, check one by one minimum value, max value, all. Okay, let's see. Now double and decimal. Now let's see. Go to Visual Studio again. Now the question. Okay, I will show you. Next I will ask the question. D1 is equal to next double points 25.03. Okay, here we should decimals are should be appended with D. Same category decimal points only accepted, but having more size. If you I already given size, I remember like that. Okay, these things I am not given size. Huh? Sorry, took you. This is having something like 4 bytes. This is having something like double is having like 18 bytes, and this is having something like 16 bytes. Okay, next. So these are the sizes. Now let's back to Visual Studio. Now double dot D2 even not like this. Even if you don't append with D also, it is accepted. Okay, next. After that, without decimal points also accept. Without decimal points, all decimal points are accepted without. Okay, that is equal to like this, something like 00 like this. Okay, so this is here possible, but for float it's mandatory. F is mandatory for float. F1 is equal to, yeah, 25.03. If you are giving like this, it will not possible. It is a not possible, guys. Next one after that, float F2 is equal to, it's something like, you should be must and today you are giving F. It's only possible case. Okay, this is only the possible case. Next, in the same family, in the floating types family, one more data type. What is that? We call as a decimal. Okay, decimal. Okay, give something. Okay, M1 is equal to, I am giving. Okay, it's accepting large numbers. It having more size. You should be appending with M. You should be appending with M. Next, M2. M2 is equal to, okay, if we are not giving, if you are not giving M, it is not possible. Okay, only this is only the possible case. This is only the possible case. Next, After that, decimal here m3 is equal to, after that now we need to go something like, hmm, without decimal points, right? Yeah, that is as usual, it is accepted. Any type, any data type is accepted. Okay, you should remember these rules, basic rules. These are very basics, looks like, but in future it will create a strong building for the, like when we are going to advanced topics. So example 5, example 5 done. Next, next. So floating is done. Then what about other remaining? What is other thing pending? I have to go character data type, I guess. Yeah, character data type. Now you will get more questions. Next here, character. Character is only accepted single character. That is also we declared within the single quote. Any character in the keyboard. Keyboard we have a something like 255, 0 to 255 keys, right? Around in the keyboard, like a entire keyboard, it is accepted any one character. Okay, if you try to give the second value, if you try to give the second value, it will not accepted. This is a, so it is showing error. So this is not possible. This is only the possible case. Okay, C sharp every statement should be ends with semicolon. You should remember that. If you forgot semicolon, that will become another error. Okay, anyway, this is not accepted showing here. It's error immediately. Next, ch3 is equal to, it can be anything in the keyboard, any symbol you can give, it's accepted. Any number you can give, it is accepted. Any number you can give, it is accepted. So these are all possible cases, but only single character only possible, not more than that. Empty, empty is accepted. Now empty is also, space is also one character in the keyboard. I already told in the keyboard any character if you give, it will accept. Okay, empty like this. Space is accepted. Okay, but if you are not giving anything, at least that one also, control characteristics. So you are not giving that space also. See, this is not accepted. If you are not giving any character, single character also not given. Even space is also one character here, single character, accepted. Okay, here no gap. That means you are not given at least one character. That is not possible. Clear? Next, character types. Example. Example 5. Mostly my sessions are practical sessions. If you see, theory I am giving very less. Practically I will show. If you see today class, I think you will get more idea. In not only this class, upcoming class also. So here, so if I am giving interview questions, right? Same questions, same kind of similar questions they will ask in the interviews only. So you can, even 3 to 5 interviews are enough if you're able to crack any interview. That is a concept. So I'm not given guarantee for job guarantee, placement support, such kind of things. Even there is no guarantee, job guarantee program outside. General real, if you come for the real case. Okay, so always focus on skill. My suggestion is always focus on your skill. If you, your job loss in the future, maybe if you lost your job also, you can easily search for another job, you can settle easily fast. That is so always from the beginning today I follow the same thing only. Okay, I hope you are getting that point what I'm trying to say. So not I'm not saying not in my join my course not like that. If you go anywhere in the future or any institute, so try to choose for the skill. Okay, even if you experience is increased, try to choose, try to learn your own. Even okay, if you are not possible to learn your own, then you can go institute somewhere. But my recommendation is try to learn your own in the when after getting experience. At the time of fresher, we are not possible because even though if you learn from some other side, other sites, okay, that is not possible to grab in the beginning level. You go, you understand? I think what I am trying to say. Okay, focus on skill development. Automatically, will get the job. Understand? Complete full-fledged skill development. Automatically, will get got. So always you are looking for skill programming, not for job guarantee. Got it? Job guarantee. If you, what can I say? Okay, they will show you placement, and if you're not selected, what they will tell you? Okay, you don't have a talent. Such kind of words they will use. Got it right? What I'm trying to say. End of the day, you will get the job if you go for backdoor anywhere or any place based upon your practice, your skill development. Okay, so always you are looking for clarifying your doubts, how to improve your skill and daily practice. These things will be you will achieve your goal end of the day. So I always trust these kind of things. You got my votes right. So try to look for skill development program, not for placement kind of thing. I'm not trust. Maybe genuine few genuines will be maybe there. We cannot assure which one is genuine, which one is not genuine. Okay. I hope you understand what I am trying to say. Yes or no? No reply? Okay, let's continue. I think people are not understanding my words. Okay, next. No reply from the chat. Now I will ask more questions. Okay, next, next. Now we need to ask some more logical questions on character. Okay, character CH. Okay, now the question is it will accept any number? Not possible. Okay, this is not a question actually. The next what I am asking, those are questions. Hmm, okay, next. Okay, let's see. Yeah, within the single cat, people are using read line instead of read key. Yeah, both will holds output screen, but read line used to take the input. Uh, that kind of things are there. You will know in the further sessions. So I'm not leave if anything pending. Definitely will know. Read line also. All read line, read key both are holds the output screen. You should know the difference. Read line used to accept the entire string, complete line. Okay, I will show you upcoming sessions. That's why I'm not at all used readline till now, because our further examples with readline, same integer with integers, taking inputs from the using readline. Okay, let's now I will give you like something like okay, I will give you the small a. Fine. Now I will give you the same character. Not only this one. If you want define anything, something like see, not accepted here. Okay, fine. That is because of try to addition. But I will try to use console.writeLine. Here I am saying okay, character is not accepted. Fine, but integer is accepted a character. First of all, I'm asking question. I forgot to ask. Is it will accept or not accepted? This answer. Accepted, not accepted. Okay, I will show it. Then see. Okay, no compile time error. Fine. Compile time is okay. Fine. Then what about runtime? It is accepted. It's possible. Hmm. Then what will be the output in this case? Now the question is, I will display integer a. Then what will become the output? Any guess? That is now you will clear in 1 minute. Running. Yeah, just 1 second. It is displayed what? 97. What it is? 97. What it is? 97. Okay. Okay, I displayed the character. This one. Integer. It's accepted by integer 97. I will tell you. I will tell you about that. Okay. The next one, I will take the one more int b is equal to why in the here separate variable in the same line only can use using comma b create one more variable assign the ch2 then display here. Okay, I will use not here. I will use separate b. Okay, now here a is equal to plus a. Next here b is equal to ASCII value, binary value, ASCII value of p is 98. Okay, okay, yes, correct. Let's see. Hmm. So I give one task, right? Search for bot mouse. Already I given the statement order of this one. Your own you can search for bot mouse. Now I will give you one more task. Like in the Google today, you can search with like just now in the comment ASCII numbers, right? Search with ASCII numbers. Anyway, I will give the answer. But for more information, search the basic about mathematical or programmatic. This is programmatical basic. Okay. Now the next question is now here I will try. Okay, here ch3 is wasted. I will remove that. Now here I will try something like CH1 plus CH2. Number log is happened. Sorry. CH2. Okay. Now the what will be the output? Hmm. Now tell me the what will be the output? AB. Forgot AB. This that is I given it's a separate task. Now C come. Okay, this AB. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sorry. I thought int AB. Okay. Okay. Fine. I got it. Your answer. Okay. Fine. Hmm. Let's see. It is addition of those numbers. It's addition of those numbers. Okay, because 97 plus 98 is what? 198 around something. Okay, what it is display? It's addition of that numbers. Why that is happened like that? It is a characters, na? Anyway, let me show you that that one. Even again open Google Mata. Next, uh, in Google Mata, search ASCII Java. No, anywhere. It's not Java.net something. It's something like programmatical related. Any image. Open any image. Let's open anything. It should be okay. Here something one image I will open. I will go this site also. Open this any one of these images. Anywhere is a characters are there. Small, yeah, small is there. If you open this one, open image in the new tab. Are you, I hope are you able to see this chart? Even it is little bit blur. Adjust. Otherwise, you need to look some other image. Are you able to see the this chart? Are you able to see right? Oh, 1 second. It's gone. In this image, even if it is blur, I hope it able to see that things. Give me 1 second. Minimize. Zoom. Okay. Now go here. Here, small a. What is the something? It's something like ASCII number 97. 97. This is again different. It's a big subject. ASCII numbers, assembly, programming language, complete big subject. Okay, don't touch entire things. Now, based on here, in the characters here, what is the number 97? B 98 up to what? 122 is a small numbers. Even special number, if you assign special characters also, you will get some numbers. If you integer, if you assign this in the character, you give special number, assign to integer, you will get this 123. Okay, same like this. And same thing. Character characters 0 to 9. Our keyboard characters are there, na? That 0 to 9. So internally, that is a 48 to 57. Next one. Same. These are all 0 to 255 up to 255. So keyboard characters, these are even control A, control B is also having something, some number is there. Some number is there. Okay. Next, even space. If you give the space, see 32. Like this. Next. Now capital numbers 41 to what? Not 41. See, sorry, this number right in blue color. Sorry, blue color 65 to 65 to what is this? 90. Okay. So go to search in Google. See any reference in the Google images. Those are like ASCII numbers. ASCII numbers. Okay. So got it? See this abbreviation. So this is our American Standard Code information for interchange. Okay, we are System internally convert. Okay, I showed 10 and 9 convert into binary code. How characters will be converted? Every character have some number is there. That those are converted into binary code. You got it? How characters will be converted into binary code, binary language, zeros and ones, because that is having some number is there. Got it? Huh? Point is clear? ASCII numbers. Okay, for our reference purpose, small a to z. What is that? Is something like 97 to 122. Okay. Next, capital A to Z, capital A to Z. It is something like 65 to around something like 65. Yeah. So how much? 90. I guess around something like 98 or 97. So already 97 is there. Some 65, 85. Yeah. 65 to what is the other number? I forgot it. A to Z 26, right? So that means, yeah, it is just something like 8 to 90, 70, 80, 90. Yeah, around something number is there. Uh, Next one after that, 0 to 9, 0 to, okay. So you can check these numbers. Check these numbers. It is something like 40, what is that? 45 or something. Okay, let me see our programming here. Go to our programming. So go to our programming. Now I will show you something like instead of this, try to give some capital A, small a, B. Okay. Try to give capital A, try to give capital Z. Now you will know the numbers of that one. This one I given correct. That's okay. Same like I will give the 0, keyboard 0, and I will give the up to 9. Okay. Next. 48 to 57. 0 to 9, 48 to 57. 57. That is fine. So here I will give the this program because try this all. I will give the put it as a comment line. Anything I put it as a comment line before the statement, any statement. That meaning you want to try those things also. The meaning of that one, you want to try above things also. Here capital A to Z. Next 0 to 9. So I will put it as a comment line. Anything same kind of statements, if I put 2 3 lines and I give as a comment line at the time of your practice, the meaning of this one you can try this one also. Clear, huh? So this is the example of for the characters. Now it is time for asking few questions. Example 7. Example 7. Okay, anyway, you got it. Integer is accepting the character. Internally it will take that like ASCII number it is take. Okay, now same way character will accept the integer, character will accept the integer. So not possible, that is, sorry, I'm not giving, not possible. This is already, we know that possible. Okay. I hope all of you clear about characters. Time 46. Next. Hmm. Next, last and finally, I will show you that Boolean type. Then remaining, we'll continue tomorrow. New people, anybody having any questions, you can ask in the land. Even career oriented, like anything you want, you can ask. That is we will see in the tomorrow session. Reference types. Today we'll complete that value type. Next, what is the pending thing in the value type? Boolean. Okay. So this is we called as a like system dot boolean. So if you observe here, that is also we can define like this: v1 is equal to it is accepted only true or false. Only two values. One is true. Okay, here we can also give like this, right? Another one is we called as a false. Okay. Internally in the system, it is only occupy one bit of space. One bit of space. If it is a true, internally it will occupy one. Okay, and it is also occupy one bit of space, one bit space. But internally, if it is a false, it will store as a zero. It will store as a zero. In a binary language, I'm saying it's misunderstandable language. But here we can display that one as a true. Now, for us, it is a true or false. Internally for the system, I can say like console dot write line. It's a false. Save it and run. True and false. True and false. Okay, that's it. Clear? Yeah. All of you understand, right? Example 9. Done. Monday I will show you that project execution. Okay. Whatever we done, it is we done in the morning batch, 8 a.m. batch. Getflix project. Still it is in progress. I will show you that project execution in the upcoming session. We'll see that all those things, value type to reference type. Till we are in the data types discussion.
The recording has stopped.
Okay, and one more thing I want to show you. Where is this drive? Drive is there. Yeah, for these classes already, one of my previous batches, I created one material for this. Material one, part one. Yeah, here whatever we discussed, mostly it will be there. Those things, previous classes, up to arrays. So first 10 to 15 days of class will be there. Okay. Next week we will take on time 7:30 to, yeah, I will take some around 9. Okay. Anybody having questions? You can ask me. Data types also there here. See here clearly mentioned as a table. This is my previous classes notes. By it. Yeah. Can see all those examples here. Whatever is completed till today, I will share. Okay. Next week is, I think, not possible. Okay. Next, anybody having questions? I will give the permission to unmute and I can speak, or you can use chat box. Even recording also I will share through WhatsApp. All of you, you will receive it. What is the new person? Satish, you are your first day. Satish Mangod. Jainuddin, you have any questions? I spoke with remaining people. Only these two people I have not spoke. Any questions you can ask me?